Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Today, we are going to discover how to join Microsoft 365 Developer Program. So, first of all, you need to get to this website, which is called developer.microsoft.com/English-US/Microsoft 365/Developer Program, or you can simply type Microsoft 365 Developer Center. Once you get here, you will get this page that explains to you what you're going to expect from this. So, what are you going to get exactly? Here we're going to join the Microsoft 365 Developer Program. Grants visually professional or enterprise subscribers and members of qualifying programs can set up a free Microsoft 365 E5 developer subscription to use for development. So to join this, you simply have to actually go and join now. And once you do that, they will take you to this page. You will log into your account and you will be taken to this page. Here you will have to fulfill these informations. So simply put here your country. For example, here I'm going to type down Morocco. Let me just move it. Morocco. And here we go. Here, company, for example, tests Ltd. I accept and click on next. The next step is what is your primary focus as a developer? Choose whatever. Next. What areas of Microsoft 365 development are you interested in? Copilot, graph, and see everything, for example. And click on next. Here, put your phone number and then write down the code that you are going to receive. Once you did that, you click on join, and just like that, you have joined the Microsoft 365 Developer Program. It's very easy and very simple. They might take few days of work to respond to you and to accept you depending on the affirmations, if you were correct, if you're not scamming, and etc. Overall, this is the step to follow. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.